Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to efficiently acquire multiple copies of enchanted books in Minecraft Bedrock. This method focuses on using legitimate game mechanics to get the enchantments you need, rather than relying on glitches. We'll primarily be working with librarian villagers, who are your best friends for obtaining specific enchanted books. This approach ensures you can consistently get the enchantments you desire for all your tools and armor, making your gameplay much more powerful and efficient. To begin, you'll want to set up a dedicated trading hall. This space should have individual cells, each equipped with a bed and a lectern. The lectern is crucial as it's the job site block that turns a jobless villager into a librarian. Having multiple librarians allows you to search for various enchantments simultaneously. Remember to keep your villagers safe from any threats, as their survival is key to your enchantment supply. Now for the exciting part, rerolling trades. If a librarian doesn't offer the enchantment you want, simply break their lectern and place it back down. This will reset their trades, giving you a new set of enchanted books to choose from. Keep doing this until you find a desirable enchantment, such as Mending or Unbreaking 3. Once you find a good trade, make sure to complete at least one trade with that villager to lock in their offers permanently. This prevents their trades from changing again. Once you've acquired several enchanted books, it's time to put them to use. You can combine multiple copies of the same enchantment on an anvil to create a more powerful version, like 2 Unbreaking 2 books becoming 1 Unbreaking 3. Or, simply apply an enchanted book directly to your desired tool, weapon, or armor. Remember that anvils have limited durability, so keep an eye on their condition and be prepared to craft new ones as needed. This process allows you to fully customize your gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.